Welcome. The purpose of this training is to guide you through the process of creating a lead in Salesforce.com and assigning it to the correct user if necessary. We will also review the process of qualifying the lead and converting it to a prospect account. For our purposes, a lead is a potential customer account with whom we have not yet done business. Anyone can create leads, and administrators can load bulk lead lists when necessary. When a lead is qualified, it can be converted into a prospect account. While an account is still a prospect, it can have work orders added to it, but they cannot be invoiced until the account is converted to a customer. We'll cover this in more detail in the accounts training. For now, take a moment to review the flowchart here. The remainder of this training will walk through the process represented. We will begin in our Salesforce.com homepage and find the Leads tab. From the Leads tab, click the New button. Mandatory lead fields include A. Last name, B. Company, C. Phone, D. Lead status. This will default to New. E. Priority. This will default to Low. F. Lead source. G. Zip or postal code. Many of the fields on the lead page are obvious, but we will walk through those that need a little more explanation. Any of the contact information fields on the new lead page associated with an individual, like first name, last name, title, or mobile, should be the contact information for the person at the potential customer account you have already contacted or will be contacting. Upon conversion of a lead, a new contact record containing this information will be created. We'll revisit this again when we discuss the conversion process. Address information. This should be the billing address info, as it will be a new customer account eventually. After the lead is converted into an account, specific locations can be added. Description information. General description information about this new lead. Industry. Choose the industry which best represents this lead. Potential opportunity trades. Choose the types of opportunities you think will be associated with this customer. Annual revenue. Enter the estimated annual revenue for this customer. Number of locations. Enter the number of locations for this customer if known. Number of employees. Enter the number of employees for this customer if known. When you have finished entering all known data on the new lead, before you save, you'll need to decide if you want the system to assign the lead using active assignment rules, seen here. The active assignment rule uses the zip code from the lead's address to know which supercenter queue the lead should belong to. Leads assigned to a supercenter queue can be found in the Leads tab list view called Minor, Your Supercenter Name, Leads Queue, seen here. The assignment rule box is checked by default, so if you do not want the system to use the assignment rule, you must uncheck the box. Unchecking the box upon creation of the lead will automatically assign the lead to you personally and change the lead status to Assigned. Click Save when finished. Leads must be assigned to a personal user before they can be converted into an account. To do this, first go to your Leads tab. Then, select the appropriate Supercenter Leads queue list view. Click the lead name to go to the Leads page. Click on the Change link next to the lead owner name. On the Select New Owner page, enter the user's name to whom you want to assign. Click the Save button to complete the assignment process. The lead status will now automatically change to Assigned. Over the life cycle of a lead, it will go through the statuses new, assigned, contacted, and qualified before it can be converted into a prospect account. Unqualified and not interested can also be used to signify which leads are unqualified or aren't currently interested in our services. The lead statuses new, assigned, contacted, and qualified cannot be edited manually. Instead, they will change automatically as the lead progresses through the process. Actions that can change the status and the status to which the lead changes can be found in the table here. If a new lead is created using the active assignment rule, the status will be new. If a new lead is created not using the active assignment rule, or if a lead is manually assigned to a specific user, the status will be assigned. When a task associated with a lead is marked as completed, the status will change to contacted. When at least one of the qualification criteria is selected, the status will change to qualified. Remember, unqualified and not interested must be edited manually. To qualify a lead, you must first choose which qualification criteria is true. Choose as many as are applicable. To do this, click Edit. Check the appropriate qualifying criteria from the Qualification Information section. The available qualifying criteria are: we provide the service requested, we sell or rent the equipment requested, the customer requested a quote, or the customer requested a site visit. If a lead is unqualified, select Unqualified on the lead status. Then, select the appropriate unqualified reason. Finally, click Save. The lead status will automatically change to qualified. Requirements for converting a lead into an account are: it must be assigned to a user, it must have a complete address, and it must have qualifying criteria checked. First, from the lead page, click the Convert button. Once you're on the Convert Lead page, you can B. Change the owner of the account and opportunity being created. C. Send an email to the owner. D. Set the opportunity name. E. Choose not to create a new opportunity upon conversion. Typically, you would not create an opportunity with an account unless you know of a specific potential sale or service that the account desires. F. You can create a new task. We'll cover this more in the Tasks and Activities. G. Once you're done making any changes, click the Convert button. If the conversion is successful, the user will be redirected to the new prospect account page. If the conversion is unsuccessful, an error will appear. If conversion is unsuccessful, you will get an error message describing the issue. Potential errors include an incomplete address on the lead, the lead wasn't owned by a user, a qualifying criteria was not selected, or a duplicate or similar address is found. If the system finds an exact match on the billing address you entered on the lead, it will show you which account matches, and you'll be given the option to add your information to the existing matching account. If you choose this option, the contact information from your lead will create a new contact associated with the existing account with the matching billing address. If multiple matches are found upon conversion, it will show you all of the potential matches and let you choose to either add your lead information as a contact to the existing account, or to create a new account with the slightly different billing address. If the conversion is successful, the user will be redirected to the new prospect account page. A contact will be created with the lead information. An opportunity would be created with a given name, as long as you did not choose not to create an opportunity. And lastly, all tasks and activities from the lead will be visible from the new account. Thank you.